Hello and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Match. This Tiguan is powered by a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission. It's finished in the Grenadilla black paintwork. To the side of the vehicle you find the 19-inch Catania alloy wheels, and to the front the LED headlamps that provide outstanding visibility. Other features on this Tiguan include a set of roof rails, rear-tinted windows for passenger privacy, and keyless entry. Moving into the boot, which can be opened automatically, I find the Tiguan offers generous space for everyday use, alongside folding rear seats, a partial shelf, and a 230-volt outlet. From the boot, you can also access the tow bar. Into your rear seating, I find the interior to be fitted with this cloth and leather trim seating, which features a folding armrest with cup holders and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front, you'll find your vent controls with heated outer rear seat functionality and 2 USB ports. Moving into the cabin, you find your front seats with manual adjustment, alongside other features such as wireless phone charging, USB ports, cup holders, and storage inside the armrest. The heated multifunction steering wheel features cruise control and controls for your cockpit display. Behind the steering wheel, you find your automatic gear stick. Moving on to the infotainment system, there are various ways to listen to media, such as FM and DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect your mobile device for hands-free use whilst on the road. Apple Carplay and AndroidAuto available, furthering device connectivity. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. You can access various vehicle settings. You can access your driver assist features. Driving profile is available with a range of drive modes for you to choose from. You can customise the colour of your display. You can also customise your speaker's equaliser settings. From the display, you can also access your car's climate control system with heated front seat functionality. And this Tiguan comes equipped with parking sensors and area view cameras, allowing you to park up stress-free. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the approved used Volkswagen Tiguan Match that is now available to purchase at Wrexham Volkswagen. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below. Or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with our friendly sales team today. Thank you very much for watching, look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.